Ring with Knob Pessary. The ring with knob pessary is a round, flexible ring. The pessary has a knob that applies pressure to the urethra against the pubic bone. It comes with or without membrane, often referred to as the incontinence ring, since it works so well for stress incontinence. The ring with knob pessary is the most common initial choice for the treatment of stress urinary incontinence. For patients with an active sexual life, the ring with knob pessary can be used during intercourse. It is important to recognize the pelvic anatomy to understand where the pessary is located with reference to the main anatomical landmarks such as the uterus, bladder, rectum, vagina, and pubic bone. To insert the ring with knob pessary, bend it in half at the notches. Fold the pessary in half so that the leading edge of the formed crescent points in a downward direction. Once the pessary is inside the vaginal vault, it releases. Insert a fingertip into one of the larger holes and rotate the pessary until the knob is behind the pubic bone at the level of the urethra. Push the ring into the posterior fornix tuck behind the pubic bone. The ring with knob pessary is removed by placing a fingertip in the inner hole of the ring and pulling it down and out.